Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you what products to get for your drugstore makeup starter kit. I know that it is very stressful to figure out what products to get, especially when you're starting out with makeup. So basically this video is going to be a guide for you that you want to start building your makeup kit. Share this video with a friend that is starting out with makeup, and let's start with some face products. The first product that you're going to use on top of your skincare is a primer that is going to make your face makeup long lasting. You can use a product that it is going to make your face makeup shiny or matte. A very nice mattifying product that you can try is this one by Maybelline, the Face Studio Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. This is also very comfortable for dry skin. I have dry skin and I love this one. You can also try something like this one by Essence. This is a Prime Studio Glow Boosting and Pore Minimizing Primer. This is going to make your face makeup glowy throughout the day. If you like that finish, this one works very well. Following that, you need a foundation, and I have here the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This one is mattifying and you can find it in 25 shades. In the beginning they only had 4 colors. Now they have extended the shade range and you can find the correct shade for you. I like this one for beginners because it is lightweight and very easy to blend it on the skin. It also comes with a dropper that you can use directly on your face, or you can apply some product on the back of your hand or on a glass plate, whatever you do. Let me know in the comments, how do you apply your foundation? I usually apply some on the back of my hand and then I take it with my sponge. This one has a full coverage finish. In case that you want something with a medium coverage, you can mix it with your primer or your skincare products. You are going to notice that the texture is lighter and also the coverage. To find the correct shade for you, you can match it with the color that you have on the jawline here, or even your chest or shoulders. It depends on which area you are darker. On the eyes, you can use a concealer like this one by BH Cosmetics. This is the Total Coverage Concealer. You can find it in 21 colors, and they also have some color correcting shades that you can mix with your own concealer and make the perfect shade for your under eye area. If the discoloration on your under eye area has a purpley color, you can use a yellow base concealer. If the discoloration has a bluish color, you can use a peachy concealer or something with orange. Usually the right shade for your concealer is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. With this concealer we have a plastic applicator that I don't like. I don't use it directly on the under eye area because I don't want to apply more pressure and I don't want to damage my skin. Usually I'm taking some on the back of my hand, and after that with my fingertip I apply it on the eyes. This concealer has a full coverage, it blends easily and it doesn't look patchy on the eyes. After applying foundation and concealer, you're going to notice that your face products first of all are creasing and they are sticky. That means that they are not going to be transfer proof and that they can easily ruin your clothes or other people's clothes. We don't want that, so the best way to set everything is with a powder. In my opinion, I think that the easiest way to find a setting powder is to get a loose setting powder with a translucent color. That means that you don't have to find a shade that is going to match your foundation or your concealer, because you're going to use a transparent powder that is going to work for both of these products. It is difficult to find the correct shade for these products. Am I right? Do we need to find a face powder as well? The powder that I have here is the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder. This one is transparent and it is going to give a matte finish to your foundation. Next, we need to give a little bit of color back to our skin, because with the foundation and the concealer we cover the imperfections, discolorations, and our face is going to look flat. In order to correct that, we can contour and highlight and also add eyeliner little bit of blush on the highest points of our cheeks to contour or bronze our skin, basically to just give warmth on the perimeter of the face and also on the cheekbones. You can use matte products or something with a shiny finish. I have here the Catrice Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. This is in the shade 30 Medium Bronze. This one has a warmer color and a matte finish. That means that you can use it to contour your face. If you don't like matte products on your skin, you can use this one by Makeup Revolution. This is the baked bronzer. You can find it in a lot of colors, and this one gives a very light sheen to the skin, so you can also add a little bit of glow. These are very easy to blend, and they were also in my best contouring products video. For blush, we also have products with a matte finish and also something with a little bit of sheen. This one here is by NYX Cosmetics, the High Definition Blush in Hamptons, and also I have the Maybelline Face Studio Blush in 90 Coral Fever. This one opens like this, like a drawer, sweep, so don't break it. This one here has a glowy finish. It looks super pretty. It blends beautifully. I prefer mattifying products, but this one here also works very well. So you can decide what finish you want for your skin. To highlight your face, you can try these highlighters here. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and I also have the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme Intense Metallic highlighter in the shade 300 Sandstone Shimmer. Both of these glide smoothly on the skin. They don't intensify the texture that you might have. They look very shiny and it is easy to blend them on the foundation. You can find both of these in a lot of shades, so you can find the correct one for your skin tone. Now if you're like, no, these are a lot of products, I need to pick a blush, a highlighter, a bronzer, is there another easier solution? I say yes, and you can get a face palette like this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Everyday Face and Cheek palette. I have the shade Romantic Gardens. This is such a pretty palette. We have a nice design, a cardboard packaging, also a mirror. In this palette we have 2 highlighters, a contouring shade, and also 3 blushes that you can mix and match. You have everything in a palette, and that makes it easier for you. This palette is for lighter skin tones, and you can also find it for medium and darker skin tones. I think the easiest way to fill in your brows is with a brow pencil. This one here is a retractable pencil with a very fine tip, and we also have a spoolie on the other side. As you can see, this is the Brow Precise Brow Pencil by Maybelline. I have the shade Deep Brown. It is a very easy product to use because we have a very fine tip. It has a waxy consistency and it is long lasting on the brows. You can also blend the product with the spoolie that we get on the brow pencil. To set the brows, you can use a brow mascara. This is by Essence and it is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade 2 Brownie Brows. It has a very small spoolie. You can take the excess product off from the top of the spoolie. It is very easy to use it and blend it, and you can make your brows long lasting with the brow mascara. If you want to start learning how to apply your eyeliner, you can start with a gel eyeliner. This one here is by Maybelline, the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black. You can use this one with an angle brush. I have a whole video about how to apply your eyeliner for beginners. I'm going to have a card here. In case that you don't have a lot of time for gel eyeliner, you can also use a darker eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow or a dark brown, and you can also define this way your lashes. So yeah, my earring wants to leave me. Back in place. Especially in the beginning, it's not very easy to use colors on your eyes. So I have here some eyeshadow palettes that I want to show you. And this one here is by BH Cosmetics, and it is a collaboration with the German YouTuber Mrs. Bella. And this is the second palette that they have created together. This is the Dark Side, and it is an eye and face palette. So let me show you what we have in this palette. We have a mirror, a blush, and a highlighter. As we can see, we have matte and shimmery eyeshadows. Most of them are in neutral shades, so you don't worry if they are going to look weird. These eyeshadows are very easy to use on your eyes. They are blendable, and you can also intensify the eye look with the darker shades that we have. If you have a palette like this and you like the blush and the highlighter that you get, you can skip and don't buy a highlighter and a blush, so you can just have this palette here. It is very travel friendly because we have a mirror. Another palette that I like for beginners is this one here by Makeup Revolution, and this is a collaboration with another YouTuber from the UK, SelfX. In this palette we also have a mirror again, but a lot more eyeshadows. We have 24 eyeshadows. Am I right? Yeah, 24. This is the perfect palette if you want to start experimenting with colors, but you also want to do something wearable and everyday. We have this beautiful pink purple eyeshadows, also some corally, orange, green, and this blue gray eyeshadow. I love that we have a matte eyeshadow in white and black, and a lot of crease colors here, bright colors if you want. In this palette we also have some shimmery eyeshadows in golden and champagne colors that you can use as highlighters. Let me know if you have tried any of these palettes and if you have a favorite Drugstore eyeshadow palette. For mascaras we have a lot of options. We can use something for volumizing, length, definition, something natural, uplifted, curling, waterproof, and for me it is always a hit or miss situation. A lot of times I open a new tube, I try the mascara on my lashes, and it is just a clumpy mess. So when I find good mascaras, I'm going to tell it to everyone, and people need to know about this mascara. These are some of the volumizing mascaras that I love. I have here the Catrice Glam & Doll Boost Lash Growth Volume Mascara, and also the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express Mascara in Black Drama. The Catrice mascara is so small, it has plastic bristles. This one gives a very nice volume and definition to the lashes. The Maybelline mascara has a different applicator, and it has this curve here. It is very easy to use. This one here has microfibers that you can build the volume and the length on the lashes. That's why I love this one a lot. If you wear contact lenses, make sure that you don't apply this very close to the roots of the lashes. For something natural and uplifted, you can use this one by Essence. This is the Super Curl Volume Mascara, and it gives an eye-opening effect. This one is like a combination of the two previous mascaras. It has plastic bristles and a curve. In case that you are a daredevil and you want to apply some fake lashes, you're going to need a lash glue and also fake lashes. I have here this peel off lash glue by Essence that I don't usually peel off. These are the Lenny Lash lashes in the style 117. You can find a lot of different styles from this brand and they are very affordable. Let's continue with some lip products. To outline your lips, you can use a lip pencil. This one here is by Essence, the Soft Contouring Lip Liner. It is very creamy. You can also use it all over the lips as a base for other lipsticks. And I have here the shade Lost in Love. For creamy lipsticks, you can try these. This is by Essence, the This Is Me lipstick, and you can find it in 20 colors. And I have here the matte Color Sensational lipstick in Smoky Rose by Maybelline. One of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas is this one by Essence. This is the Color Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipstick, and this specifically is in the shade Sing Red. And this one comes with a doe foot applicator in a shape like an hourglass. I like this formula because it is lightweight, it dries quickly. The watery and lightweight formula makes it very easy if you want to apply a second layer and also to retouch after a couple of hours. If you want something very easy to use with not a lot of color, you can use a lip gloss. This is the Generation Plump and Shine lip gloss by Catrice Cosmetics. I have the shade Sparkling Coral, and this lip gloss is not sticky and it is very comfortable on the lips. For dry lips, I suggest using a lip balm. This one is in the tube form by EOS and it works for me all year, winter, summer. It is very nice. It has a very light texture and scent. It doesn't have any color, so you can also use it overnight. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite part of your makeup routine. For me is the eye makeup. This is my favorite part. I can't wait to finish with my face makeup and start with my eyes. You can watch here some wearable eye looks. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!